Hey, Lance Sumner here. I want to take the time today just to share provide some value to you and share with you if you're out there looking to get started making money online. A great opportunity, especially for newbies out here who are not technically inclined. You don't have to have any technical skills, but this is, as you can see on the screen, the Super Affiliate Network. Now, I did a review a little while back, and I just want to kind of bring up to speed, up to date with some of the things that are the improvements to produce better results and ability to continue to increase that income larger as you follow through and do what's shown to do. Okay, so I always want to put that out there in the beginning. Always an income disclaimer. You must learn, what you're shown, learn, follow, do concept. What you're shown to do, actually do it with some consistent action to produce results and start building your business, your online income to grow it larger. Very simple. Too many people today just join things and then they never do anything. They join thinking that money's just going to fall from heaven. It doesn't happen like that. Business is business. But anyway, I just want to give you another round of review with the Super Affiliate Network and let you know that life can be good if you would just be a person of action and quit sitting back and just letting it say, oh, woe is me. This is just what it is. This is my lot in life. I'll always be stuck in the 9 to 5. I'll never make, but we will show you how you can get yourself out of that when you actually take action, become part of the team, and follow through and do the steps we show you to. Very simple steps, very simple training to show you exactly what to do, get up and running, and start producing some income. Anyway, this is the main screen. When you log into the Super Affiliate Network, here's the screen. You're going to get a little saying here from Misha Wilson, the founder here at the Super Affiliate Network. And on this main page, you're going to say, click started steps, right? Go through these steps. Just want to kind of show them to you. Okay, launching your business, scaling your cash flow, these key concepts, building the right foundation right out of the gate to get up and running and going. Okay, people don't like to sit there and wait. Oh, I got to go through this and this and this to get up and going. But if you just take action and complete these pieces or these steps to make sure everything's set up, and the most important thing here, what most people miss, is they see, like for instance, the Super Affiliate Network, and they think, oh, I'm just joining something and I'm not going to know what to do. No, you're going to know what to do exactly, because as soon as you get started, and you can even start for the trial offer that's provided for $1 just to get started, get your feet wet, see if it's for you or not, and immediately you get a personal coach. A personal success coach is just going to reach out to make contact to you, say, I want to schedule time with you. I want to make sure you know exactly what to do so that you can be successful online. Okay, I hope this is helpful for you. Just want to make sure that you can be informed on how you can have a better life if you take the time and just follow through and do what we show you to do here at the Super Affiliate Network. Because I've been with them now for a little while, and life is only getting better. That's all I can tell you. You just have to check it out for yourself. So below anyway, and below the YouTube video, I'll give you some information on the Super Affiliate Network, and there'll be a link in there you can click and take action. Join our team. We are the #1 team within the Super Affiliate Network. I'm under Alex Z. He's my mentor. Awesome dude. Knows exactly what to do. He's already been a 6-figure, 7-figure earner in a couple of other businesses along the way in the past 10 or so years. And I will tell you that it's nothing greater than surrounding yourself with people who know exactly what to do. Put it that way. Anyway, down here, some testimonials, people who are successful, sharing their story. Okay, that's important. Everybody has a story. You go back up here. So anyway, start here. You click it, it'll still take you to part here, same page we came to. This is I just want to orient you to the page, events, any events happening, and the event that just happened this last weekend in Reno. It was a mastery event with the team, and that would be where that's at. Laws, very important, these laws. I'll just click over there to show them to you. And you should kind of get these ingrained in you. Okay, like here, Law 1. Wearing the white belt, commit to the process, take massive action with consistent action, with what's shown. And I'll just click on Law 2 to show you the next law. Market daily. We show you how to do that. We show you how to drive traffic. We give you traffic training. The one thing is get everything set up, and we give you the funnels, the links, everything to the capture pages, the video sales letters. And if you just follow through with driving the traffic to the funnel, turn on the flood, turn on the water, right? Keep it coming. You're going to produce results because the system is going to work for you. And Super Affiliate Network will also send out emails in your behalf. Okay, so that the people that come in to through your page, they're going to get exposed, and they will take action or not take action. But you never know when they'll take action. Okay, people don't get started the first time usually. It usually takes a little bit. There's people that start the first time, but not everybody does, and they may see an email 7 days later, and all of a sudden they just got paid or something. All of a sudden oh yeah, that's right. I saw this. I wanted to do this, but now I got the money to do so. All right. So anyway, all right, here's the boot camp. We're going to take you through the boot camp, and these are the steps you're training, laying the right foundation. So you have here phase 1, module 1 through 5, phase 2, 6 through 10, 3, 11 through, and I'll just go over to module 13 to give you a taste where you're at in 13 real quick, just to kind of give it a little, if it'll get moving. All right, and 13 is on following up with maximum profits, how to produce the greater results and start building your dream lifestyle. Okay, let's go over here to my products. Okay, these are the things you're going to have access to within the back. Pro Vault, traffic training, traffic boot camp, and other key information. This is the solo ad success formula. You're going to learn how to deal with those things called solo ad paid traffic. Okay, there, and then you have your coach, and your coach, you would go right over to there when you do get started, even at the trial offer, doesn't matter. You go over, click on here, go to your My Coach, and you're going to get this page right here, and you'll have your person. They give a little video about themselves and share with you what's going to happen. They have usually their number, email, and get on their schedule. That's the very first thing to do. Go over there. They're going to reach out to you, but now that you know where this is at, just go over there, click on a coach, get on their schedule, schedule the time, and don't miss it. Don't miss it. These guys know exactly what they're doing. Highly trained to know exactly how to help you be successful. All right. So that's for that one on the coach. Go back. And up here is the My Account. So you're going to have all the information for your profile set up, support, set up your e-wallet. So when you get paid, it's going to go into e-wallet. But you can set that e-wallet up like maybe I have and put your business bank account in there or just personal bank account, doesn't matter. Set up that information and have it go as soon as that cash comes in, it automatically goes over to your bank account. You just set it up the way you want. And over here is support, so you can turn any support ticket if you have a technical issue or any issue. Just turn a support ticket. Leaderboards, it shows who's on the leaderboards for sales and lead generation, those kind of things. Partners, so over here in the partners, and this is where I'm going to take you to, the partners section, you're going to go to My Business, and you have partners, blog, and leaderboards again. But it's over here. This is when you click this My Business, you come over here, and I want to show you that you have all the metrics and everything to track what's going on. So you'll have here under statistics, and every night though they reset. So this is may look a little low, but it's not, because they refresh the servers, I guess, so to say, and then it just restarts, recounts the counter clock. So you would have to go back and look at the day before or whatever. So out of this initial start after the refresh, already 20 visits, 5 leads, and we're going to talk to you about that, teach you how to produce lead generation and build your list. It's a key concept, because your list, as you build a relationship with the list, it becomes very relational to income growth also. But you're always looking to learn and grow and develop yourself so that you can provide added value, whether that's building a lead capture page, a video sales letter page, or how to set an autoresponder up so the email series triggers, whatever that is, and the skill sets that you gain along the way, you share that with your team and with others, and people appreciate that. And you don't have to, you can offer, say, hey, we're here to help you. If you want to become part of our team, you can, but you don't have to. You just share the good added value to help people with whatever they're doing. That's a very essential part, helping people to be successful no matter what they're doing. Okay, not to go on with that. That's my soapbox, helping others. All right, here, and it will have the referrals for you, so you can see all of your referrals. And the good thing here is that even though Super Affiliate Network will send out emails on your behalf as they come in through the funnel, you can grab any one of these, all your referrals. Just go over here, export to CSV, download your leads, prospects, put them, if you have your own external autoresponder, Aweber, GetResponse, SendLine, whatever you're using, you can go ahead and just grab those and put them in there and just follow the criteria for that based on the autoresponder you use. And okay, so, and it will show commission rates. Over here, my links. This is the very important part I wanted to talk to you about here. This is where all the links are for you to be able to promote and market online. Like I said, which we show you exactly how to do that, market online. Okay, I go to the Super Affiliate Network, give you an idea. I would have all these capture pages to choose from, whichever I want to use. And then you have further down here some capture page with testimonials. And I'm going to show you, and this is the video sales letter here, this part. Some more video sales letters. And this is the straight up front end dollar trial order form for people who are ready to get started and just send them direct to the order form. Congrats calls, some of that, I want to give you that. And also for people that are just interested for more information, you can send them a capture page or a micro commitment capture page showing the bundle image with the learn more button, plus a button for them to go ahead and take action and get started. All right, so anyway, I just want to take you and show you kind of right here, capture page. So this has its own ability to track, so you know how your marketing is doing. And you can take that link that I just highlighted, you would put it over here in this link generator, and then you would just go ahead and put your code, whatever code down in this campaign name. So I'm going to do something through, let's say, Bing. Put Bing in there, and I might even put a date, like I'm going to do it today. So I put the 2029, I would go Bing 29 October 18. Then I just hit generate URL, and now I have my URL. I grab that link, and I just go over here. I'll show you what it looks like, and boom. So here, this is giving away a free video series for people that want to learn, and also get some added value at the same time, and then a choice for them to get started and become part of the Super Affiliate Network team or not. But they get something of value that they can grow and develop from, no matter what they're doing or whether they choose to be part of the team or not. So that is an example, and they would opt in right here, and then they would also receive an email from the Super Affiliate Network to remind them, don't forget your video series, here it is. And don't forget, if you're looking to get started in the online world and start making money, we're here to help you get started. Excuse me. So anyway, let me go to the next part and grab some water at the same time. So these are all the links that you have, the funnels that you have. This is a ebook, 7 Deadly Sins of Internet Marketing, you're going to get provided that you can use. But let's go on. So you saw all that, and you have email swipe. You have to choose something under the right category to get that. You have banners for yourself under the different specific things. So if you have blogs or anything like that, you just add them in the banners, use them wherever you want to use them in your marketing, banner advertising, such as that. I'm hopefully sharing with you things that give you ideas. Think about all the ways you can use the different things that are available here, or even in your own marketing efforts, whether it's banners, using capture pages, or whatever it is in your marketing. free ebooks and stuff like that as your lead, what we call lead magnet, and people to possibly come in or connect with you. All right, so over here, anyway, you got your My Sponsor, so you can check out your sponsor, any customers you have, all your leads. Again, you can download your leads at any time. You have the ability to export to CSV. You also have the option of a car bonus as you start to produce results. It builds up to a level, and then you receive a certain amount per month for a car. So you can go out and get you a leased car, Beamer, Mercedes-Benz, whatever you want to, whatever you're after. Again, and then settings here, just settings to set up for however you want, to receive notifications and things like that. So anyway, I think pretty much I covered the majority of everything across orientation to the page. And, and like I said, you can go ahead and read the details in below the video and the YouTube description area. I provide more information related to the Super Affiliate Network, plus a link for you to go ahead and click on, take action, actually become part of our team, work with me. I work with a really good team. Alex Z, like I said, is my mentor. He knows exactly what he's doing. And the whole Super Affiliate Network team is really more like a family, okay? Because we've just been, really, it's just a really tight-knit community of entrepreneurs helping other entrepreneurs grow and develop and gain more and more as we go in life, and being able to help others become successful online too at the same time. All right, that's a lot. I spit out a lot to you. I really hope this was useful information for you, and a decent overview of the Super Affiliate Network and how for anybody out there. It doesn't matter who you are out there. If you're just struggling getting by, just go ahead and take the dollar trial, take a look at it. You have a certain period of time to go ahead and review it and actually do things and get started, and then make a choice and whether you're going to stay or not. And for people that think that this is something that you have to be technical, no, this is for anybody. You don't have to know anything technical because everything's taken care of for you. You just go in and follow the steps and do what you're shown to do. Period. All right. Anyway, this is actually AKA Major Sumner, retired U.S. Army, signing off. Wish everybody the best. Get connected with me. I'm here to help you be successful.